Three maidens a-milking did go. Three maidens a-milking did go, and the wind it did blow high, and the wind it did blow low. It tossed their petticoats to and fro. They met with a young man they know. They met with a young man they know, and they've asked it of him if he had any skill to catch them a small bird or two. Oh yes, I've a very good skill. Oh yes, I've a very good skill, and it's come away with me to yonder flowering tree, and I'll catch you a small bird or two. So it's off to the greenwood one day. It's off to the greenwood one day, and he's tapped at the bush, and the bird it did fly in, just a little above her white knee. And her sparkling eyes they did roll round, just as if she were in a swound. And she cried, "Oh, I've a bird, and a very pretty bird. He's a pecking away at his own ground. Here's a health to the bird in the bush. Here's a health to the bird in the bush. And we'll drink down the sun, and we'll drink up the moon. Let the neighbours say little or much." I hope my neighbours don't say anything, actually.